Hello. Hi. This is Pradeep from Chroma Print and Pack. We are into paper box packaging, wooden box packaging, and acrylic boxes as well. We make sustainable boxes for all kinds of clientele in F&B, and we also do wood-based products for F&B industry. And these are our few of the products. There are a lot of varieties, and we cover all of the packaging material, right from smaller boxes, a brownie box, to bigger cake boxes as well. We do all kinds of packaging boxes. Yeah, we do have hamper boxes as well. This is a hamper box section where we do Diwali giftings, takeaway giftings, or return gifts. Everything is curated by us, depending upon your budgets and everything. Now, the smallest box would start from somewhere around 5 rupees, 6 rupees. It can go up till some multiple thousand. I feel very good now. The turnout has been good. So I'm hoping to have a lot of orders from here. Market is good, and the takeaway market is good because of eventually food industry is being good in Hyderabad. So globally also it is doing good. So yeah, we are seeing it good progress every year on year. Yeah, this is Hyderabad-based company. We are placed in Kukatpalli, in Prashanti Nagar industrial area. Thank you.